Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Today this video will be my first time recording on my new iPhone that we got for Christmas. But as you can see, I am preparing to go to work. I've already took my shower and combed my hair and all that kind of stuff. But last night I went to Walmart and I got my SD card for my camera. So now I just got to get my screen protector and my case and my carrying box for my camera and also my tripod. So yeah, my tripod will probably be next for my camera, but I still got to film that video of me unboxing my camera for y'all. But I wanted to make a video this morning, so I decided to turn my iPhone on and record on it because the quality is so much better. We also got to get cases for our iPhones too. We don't have screen protectors or nothing like that, so I'm not carrying my iPhone with me. It's on, but yeah, I'm not finna risk that because these phones cost way too much. If y'all ain't watched the video where I went to go purchase my camera, I got the Sony ZV1. This is the box. And like I said, I gotta film the video so y'all can see me unboxing this because I haven't used it yet. I just got my SD card last night and I've charged it, but I have not used it. But I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is me a little bit after. I just told y'all I was gonna do the unboxing. I went ahead and did it so y'all could see like what the camera come with and like, you know, the quality and stuff like that. And y'all, I'm so excited to use the camera. I just gotta get my tripod and my screen protector and stuff like that. I just don't feel comfortable using the camera knowing that it's not protected. You know what I mean? Like out vlogging, knowing that I don't have a case or a tripod or anything like that, I just don't feel comfortable because the camera was not cheap. So yeah, that's my unboxing video. I hope y'all enjoy, and I will let y'all know when I get ready to use it because now I just gotta go get all my other supplies for it. But yeah, I will see y'all later. I gotta go to work and I will yeah, just see y'all in the next video, okay? Bye. Make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, okay? Bye.